Hello everyone! Today the main character of our waterproof is Realme X50. Realme's product color has always been dominated by bright yellow, so the Realme X50 box is also yellow. The large X50 phone model is printed in the middle of the box, and the 5G logo is also under the phone model, highlighting that it is 5G. Phone identity. I have to say that the Realme X50 as a 5G mobile phone is not very expensive. Will it be as cost-effective as the price? We will wait and see. The front of the Realme X50 phone uses a 6.57-inch 120Hz screen, a dual-hole screen, a 4.88mm aperture, and the location of the hole is in the upper left corner of the screen. The rear camera uses a 4-shot combination, which is powerful and beautiful. In the waterproof part of the screen, Realme is still as good as usual. In the flush test, the Realme X50 was not affected, and the page operation was still smooth. After the shower test on the front and the back, the screen finally adhered to tiny water droplets, but this did not affect the sliding and taking of the phone. And at this time, the phone was still not getting water. If you want to see other mobile phone waterproof tests, please leave a message to tell us. Don't forget to click on Ding Ding Dong. You can receive our information as soon as possible. When the phone enters the water for 26 seconds and 1 minute and 26 seconds, bubbles appeared on the side volume port. At 3 minutes, the phone did not have any other large bubbles, and the page scrolling and taking pictures were still normal. Let's take a look at the water in it. After opening the phone, there are obvious small water drops on the motherboard, and a small amount of water is also poured into the SIM card. After the motherboard is disassembled, the water drops become very large. In general, the water inflow is relatively large, and there are more under the listening hole. Realme X50 is water resistant to 4 to 5. Please try to not let it contact water